The LifeStraw personal water filter is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. This compact device filters out 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria and parasites, allowing you to safely drink from streams and lakes. With over 118,000 glowing reviews, it's rated 4.8 out of 5 stars on Amazon. Perfect for emergencies or adventures, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Priced at just $19.95, this gadget is a lifesaver in the wild. Brighten your outdoor adventures with the Etekcity camping lantern. This durable, battery-powered LED lantern is perfect for camping, power outages, or emergencies. It's lightweight, collapsible, and provides incredible illumination. Boasting a 4.8 out of 5 star rating from over 25,000 reviews, this lantern is a customer favorite. At $22.94, it's a practical and reliable addition to your gear. Don't miss out on this essential survival tool. The SHARPAL 101N is the ultimate 6-in-1 survival tool, combining a knife sharpener, fire starter, whistle, and more into one compact gadget. Whether you're hiking or camping, this tool has you covered. With a 4.5 out of 5 star rating from over 33,000 reviews, its reliability speaks for itself. At just $9.99, it's an affordable and versatile addition to your survival kit. Stay connected in emergencies with the BAOFENG UV-5R ham radio. This dual-band handheld radio offers long-range communication, ensuring you're never out of touch. With a 4.6 out of 5 star rating from over 2,400 reviews, it's a trusted choice for survivalists. Priced at $57.99, it's a worthy investment for any serious adventurer. The COB Keychain Work Light is a portable, rechargeable gadget designed for convenience. Perfect for hands-free illumination, it features multiple modes and a durable design. With a 4.5 out of 5 star rating from over 300 reviews, it's a customer favorite for outdoor and emergency use. At just $9.99, this compact tool is a budget-friendly addition to your survival gear. The Resqme Emergency Keychain Tool is a compact lifesaver designed for car emergencies. It features a seatbelt cutter and window breaker, making it essential for every driver. Rated 4.7 out of 5 stars by over 6,000 users, its reliability is unmatched. At $16.13, this affordable gadget could make all the difference in an emergency. This electric waterproof lighter is a survivalist's dream. USB rechargeable, windproof, and equipped with an LED flashlight, it's built for outdoor adventures. With a 4.6 out of 5 star rating from over 100 reviews, its quality is undeniable. At $17.99, it's a gadget you can rely on in any weather. Stay informed with this emergency radio featuring NOAA weather alerts, a flashlight, and a USB charger. Solar-powered and portable, it's perfect for emergencies. With a 4.5 out of 5 star rating from over 8,800 reviews, it's highly recommended by users. At $35.99, this versatile gadget is a smart addition to any survival kit. Master primitive firemaking with the PSKOOK bow drill kit. Perfect for outdoor survival training, it's both educational and practical. With a 4.3 out of 5 star rating from over 2,500 reviews, this kit is highly rated for quality. At $12.99, it's an affordable tool for adventurers. Illuminate your camping trips with the Etekcity camping lanterns. These battery-operated LED lanterns are bright, lightweight, and collapsible. Perfect for outdoor adventures or power outages. They hold a stellar 4.8 out of 5 star rating from over 25,000 reviews. At $22.94, this 4-pack offers excellent value. These CHUANG emergency Mylar blankets are perfect for outdoor activities, retaining body heat effectively. Compact and lightweight, they're a staple in survival kits. With a 4.7 out of 5 star rating from over 6,000 reviews, their quality is proven. At just $6.99 for a 4-pack, they're a budget-friendly lifesaver.